everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I wanted to give you some suggestions for making some quick and easy, beginner friendly for the most part, summer shorts. So let's get started. So the first pattern I want to talk to you about is McCalls 8221. It's this one here. This is one of my very favorite shorts patterns. It's quick. I've made these in about an hour. They don't take a lot of material depending on the view that you decide. You've got the shortest one here that's got the ruffle at the bottom. I've made this one. Actually, I've made both of these. And then this one is a bit longer. I think that one might be more of a culotte type style. But this is a pattern that is still available. It's cute. It's comfortable. It's for woven fabrics. And like I said, it's very beginner friendly. You can do them easily, and once you get that pattern fitted, you can just keep making them over and over again. It does have pockets in the side, elastic waist, and it's just a very cute, quick make. So that is my first suggestion, pattern suggestion for you. Now, the next pattern that I want to talk to you about is New Look 6055. It's this one here. There are two shorts patterns in this one. I've actually made the pants, and those were easy to make and a quick project. So I know the shorts have got to be even easier. I've not made them, but I know the shorts have to be easier than and faster than the pants because you don't have as many steps with the shorts. They have two lengths on those. One view is a little bit longer. I believe view D is a little bit longer. That's this one here is a little longer than this one, but it has elastic in the waist and a drawstring as well. So it's just a cute, comfortable, easy pattern. You've got other pants on this pattern as well. So if you didn't want the shorts, you could make something like the pants out of a nice breezy fabric. It's for wovens. So you have a lot of options, cottons, maybe even like a gauze type of thing. That would be perfect for something like this. So that is my next suggestion for you. Next is the Itch to Stitch Sequoia Cargo Pants and Shorts. This is what the pattern looks like here. It is a PDF pattern. I have not made the pants, but I've made two pairs of the shorts. I love these. This one is a little bit more involved for making these, especially in the waistband. She actually does have a tutorial on the website on how to do the waistband because it can be a little confusing. It has a rib knit and elastic in it, and there are snaps. At least that's what I used. I put snaps on the front fly, not down the fly, but on to close it. So you do have things like snaps and making a front fly, so that means a zipper, and the elastic and the rib knit in the waistband. So it's a little bit more involved, but it's still an easy pattern. That's one that I really, really like. Like I said, I've made this one 2 times already and will probably keep making it. So that one is my next suggestion for you. Next is a pattern that is out of print, sadly, but I'm sure you could probably get this somewhere. It's the Colette Iris Short. I also love this pattern. It takes a little bit of fabric, like maybe a little over a yard, at least for most sizes. There is an invisible zipper, and if you make the other front has buttons, so it's like a almost like a little sailor type look. But this is such a nice pattern. Like I said, it is out of print at this point, but it takes, you know, it's a little bit more involved. But I don't think that it is actually rated as for a beginner, but I don't think that just because you're a beginner, that means only making stuff with elastic waist. I think you can, stretch your capabilities and do more, because otherwise you're not going to learn to do more if you don't actually do it. So the Colette Iris Shorts is a great pattern, and I really enjoy that one as well. So this is a good time for me to tell you to please go ahead, hit the like button, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload a new video. I've got a few more left, and let's get to it. Now, my next pattern of the 5 that I'm showing you in particular, the next one is Quick Sew 3854. That's this one here. Now, this is one that I actually have not made myself. In all honesty, I forgot that I even had this. Now, I have seen this made up, and it's really cute. You've got the sailor type shorts here, and then these are a pleated front short. It's got a back zipper, so there's no elastic in these. But I just think this is really cute, and if you don't want them as short as this, then obviously you just add some length into it. That's what I actually do quite often. You know, if I don't want something that's super short, I do add a few inches or whatever the situation is. But I think this pattern is really cute, and it's nice because it can be more of a tailored type of look. So that's why I wanted to include this. But I also don't think it is a difficult pattern to put together, particularly if you can get your sizing correct. I think this should be an easy one to put together and pretty quick to do. So that one is the last of the 5 that I wanted to make sure to show you. Now, next I do have 2 bonus patterns that I wanted to share. The first one is Mimi G 9714. I bought this pattern because I really like the shorts and the jacket. So I've not made it yet, but the shorts have they have pockets, and they have elastic in the back waist. So that means they're going to be really comfortable, and they're going to be easy to fit on the back, so you don't have a gap back there. So that's why I wanted to include that one. But I do like this one. Like I said, I've not made it yet, but I think this shorts pattern would be pretty quick and easy to make. The last one I have for you is Butterick 6878. This one is a Palmer Pletch pattern, and this one is a bit more involved. It's a more tailored look. You have a fly on the front. I believe, let's see, there's no zipper. There are welt pockets, it looks like, that you can put in the back, and there are pleats. So I've not made this one yet, but this is one that I wanted to include because, like I said, not every beginner just wants to do something that's elastic waist or whatever. You can always step up your game and do something more tailored, but also just because you're more experienced doesn't mean that you have to stay away from something quick and easy and simple like these, and you know, discount everything that has an elastic waist or that's only going to take you 45 minutes to an hour to put together. So I like to show you a variety of things, but those are the patterns that I particularly like as far as shorts are concerned. Let me know in the comments what kind of shorts patterns have you made that you really like, that you think are pretty quick and easy to do. The majority of these, except for the Colette pattern, I believe everything else is actually still readily available. So I can leave you some links to that. I should be able to leave you an affiliate link for the Itch to Stitch Sequoia. I do love this pattern. That is definitely a favorite of mine. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, of course, please leave it down below. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you all for watching, and I thank you. So please take care, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.